Welcome to Lesson 3, Graphing Inequalities Practice. This is on page 5 and extends to page 6. So I have some good news. This is a very short video because it's all you. I'm just going to read the steps that you need to follow. We graph the following inequalities and be sure to follow these steps. Build a piece of the number line with the solution number in the center. Decide whether you need an open circle or closed circle on that number based on the inequality sign given. Decide which side to shade by testing a number to see if it makes the given inequality true. So if you didn't watch our previous lesson, lesson 2, please go back and watch that because it will take you through how to do all those things. I realize that lesson went long, but this one's short because once again, it's all you. Please complete the following inequalities and the key will be posted tomorrow. Thanks again and have an awesome day.